Here's my take on lamb koftas. It's sure to blow your mind. Okay, so we've got some fresh rosemary, we've got cucumber, horseradish, shallots, labneh, some beautiful organic lamb mince and sea salt. Okay, so first step is going to be to get your cucumber and to peel it. So what we're looking for with our cucumber is nice long strips, so when we pop them in a skillet they char nicely. So what we're going to do is we've got a skillet pan that we're going to heat up really hot, and then we're going to pop them into the pan, no oil, nothing. So the idea is we're going to just burn it. We're just going to finely chop our shallot because it's going in through our lamb, so we don't want to obviously be eating massive chunks of onion. So we're just going to mix the onions into the lamb. Now, as you can see, there's quite a lot of onion, but it adds a really nice flavour to it. And like I say, they'll cook off nicely too when you put them on your rosemary. Okay, so our mince is ready and we're going to pop them on the end of our rosemary stick. So just pick out which ones you want. I leave all of the rosemary on the end of the stick as well, and then I just add the mince around it. Gives it a really nice flavour. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. I wasn't lying when I said charred, so you can cook that for a very long time. Just don't burn the house down. So after you finish charring your cucumber in your skillet, your pan's going to be super, super hot, and that's exactly what we want for our lamb. Awesome, so the last step is going to be the horseradish. It adds a bit of like a pepperiness, a spiciness to the actual dish. So now it's time to plate up our lamb. First of all, we're going to get our labneh and smear it on our dish. Get your charred cucumber and crush it all over the top, and microplane your fresh horseradish.